You walk into your friend's home. No guests are coming, no special occasion, nobody called ahead, and yet every surface is spotless. Cushions perfectly placed, not a single dish in the sink, even the corners look intentional. And you think to yourself, how? How do they live like this? Are they obsessed? Do they never relax? Or is something completely different going on in their brain? Here is what most people never realize. People who keep their house clean are not just tidier than you. Their brain is actually operating in a completely different mode. And once you understand the psychology behind it, you will never see your messy room the same way again. Psychologists have a name for this: environmental psychology, the study of how your surroundings shape your mind. And here is the part that shocked me. It works both ways. Your environment affects your mood, yes, but your mood also determines how you treat your environment. So the person who keeps their house clean, they did not wake up one day with extra discipline. Their brain made a very specific connection, a connection that science can actually explain. Let's break it down. 3 psychological reasons, and the third one most people never talk about. Reason number 1. A clean space is a form of control. Princeton University researchers found that visual clutter, mess, disorder, random objects, literally competes for your brain's attention. Your brain is processing everything it sees. A messy room forces it to work overtime, draining your mental energy without you even knowing. But here's the fascinating part. Every time a clean house person tidies up, their brain releases dopamine, the reward chemical, the same one you get from eating your favorite food. So for them, cleaning does not feel like a chore. It feels like relief. It feels like winning. They're not cleaning because they love mopping floors. They're cleaning because their brain is addicted to the feeling after cleaning. Reason number 2, and this one will change how you think about habits forever. Psychologists found that how we organize our external environment is a direct reflection of our internal identity. Translation: clean people do not just have a clean house, they see themselves as clean people. It's part of who they are. And here's why this matters. Most people fail at keeping their home clean because they try to build a habit before they build an identity. They say, I will clean every day, but deep inside, they still see themselves as a messy person. Clean house people did it backwards. They first decided, I'm someone who keeps things organized, and the behavior followed naturally. The habit did not create the identity created the habit. And reason number 3, this is the one nobody talks about. Researchers call it the broken windows effect. One small piece of disorder invites more disorder. You leave one dish in the sink, then another, then the counter, then the table, then suddenly the whole house is chaos, and you wonder, how did this happen? But the reverse is also true. One small act of cleanliness creates a ripple effect. Clean house people instinctively know this. They don't clean the whole house at once. They just make sure one surface, one corner is always perfect, and the brain automatically follows. So, here's what we learned today. People who keep their house clean are not more disciplined, not more motivated, and they do not have more time than you. Their brain simply made 3 connections. 1, clean space equals dopamine reward. 2, identity shapes behavior, not the other way around. 3, small order prevents big chaos. Now, I want to ask you something, and I genuinely want to know. Right now, is your room clean or messy? Comment below. Just write clean or messy. I promise, whatever you answer, it will tell you something about yourself. If this video made you think, subscribe, because every week we break down the hidden psychology behind everyday behavior. And trust me, next video, even more eye-opening.